Now it's time for a struggle challenge. Hey Frankie, what are some things that I could do with herb stems and citrus peels? It feels so wasteful to always throw them away. It is wasteful. You should eat them. They're edible. Let's see what else you've got in your fridge and make something wonderful. Oh, vodka. Yep, that is definitely Russian water. American water, sugar, oil, vegetable. We got citrus peels, half of a grapefruit, some lemon peels, butter, cilantro and basil, garlic. This is definitely not gonna make a meal. We can make lemonade, and we'll make a little simple syrup, and we can throw some basil in the lemonade. Take these citrus bits, put it in the vodka, shake it up, and we'll have a lemon-orange vodka. Pretty cool. Are you trying to make me clarify some kind of a butter with flavors in it or something? Garlic butter? Herb butter. Let's do that. We're gonna make a garlic shallot herb butter. Let's start doing it. Let's make some garlic confit. Little shallot happen. I'm going in with some vegetable oil here. I'm gonna use a fair bit. Coming in with the shallot, garlic. I'm just gonna run the knife through it twice. No biggie. Here we go, garlic going in. Make some angle happen. Make sure everything's submerged. Something needs to help me out here. Nice. So this way, the garlic will get super brown, but not crispy. It'll become soft, and that means it should be as spreadable as the butter once it sets into it. So that's what confit means. Now, we have herbs, and we're gonna use the stems also. They're almost gonna be like chives on the inside. It's gonna look really nice. Do not neglect the stems. Let's get some wrap of plastique. I'm gonna make a log of butter. L-O-B, log of butter. I'm gonna flatten it out a little bit. Now, we will spread the herbs. Let's get some garlic and shallot confit. Drain it of the oil. Coming in with the garlic, coming all over. I think it would be easier if I mixed this in a bowl, so put it in a bowl. Mix it up real good. Obviously, you need room temp butter for this. Okay, now we'll roll it out. So now we're just looking for some consistency in the log. So you gotta fold it over. You gotta kind of squeeze. Okay, we got a log. We're gonna reset this in the fridge or the freezer, and there's no better way to use your herb stems, truthfully. We got the vodka, we got the citrus. I'm just gonna make them a little smaller, throw them in. Ooh, vodka is super strong, and it's gonna extract all that delicious citrusness from these citrus peels. So, I'm gonna let this sit for like 48 hours, and then I'm gonna just run it through a little sieve, and then I'll have flavored vodka without any bits. That's it. Okay, simple syrup and a basil lemonade. As the name implies, simple syrup is very simple to make. Just equal parts sugar and water. So I'm gonna use almost all this water. And I'm gonna pour in all the sugar. Lemonade, despite what you think, doesn't really have that much lemon in it. It's like 10% lemon, 10% simple syrup, 80% water. So let's squeeze this lemon right into this jar, and let's add the lemon peels in there. So we've got a lemon simple syrup. Let's get these beautiful basil leaves. All right, these stems are going in the simple syrup too. And so I wait for the simple syrup to become one. Two parts that were once separate, they are coming together as one. Pulling my peels and my stems out. Here we go. Here's our simple syrup. It's going right into this jar. Very nice. Oh, I happen to have some left over. Let's pour it on our lemonade. I'm gonna slam some slapped basil in there. Do this, seriously. Smell it, slap it, and then smell it. It wakes up. I kid you not. We'll pour water over the rest of it. All right, we've got a basil lemonade with a citrus simple syrup. That's a 10. Let's see what happened to that butter. It has firmed up a little. Let's just cut right through the plastic here. Look at the little confit garlic in the middle. There it is. Herb butter. Fatty, herby. There it is, roasted garlicky. Now, let's see how that vodka is. It smells citrusy. I'll just try a little bit. You can actually see that the color has happened. I mean, I'm gonna ideally let this sit for 2 days, up to a week or something, but let's see what just happened in like an hour. Definitely citrusy. And you know what? If I wanted to make a cocktail out of it and sweeten it up, I've got this citrus simple syrup. I could do that too. Let's rate all of them. Visually, this is very, very nice on the counter. I like it a lot. I call it a 9. Visually, very, very beautiful when I cut into this. I give that a 9 too. Simple syrup, this one's got a little tinge of yellow to it. I think that looks pretty cool. So let's give that a 9. Oh, and the lemonade that it made is just divine. It really is. I'm gonna go with a 10. We got a 9 on looks, we got a 10 on flavor. That's a 19, that's a 95%. That's a really good score. And who would have thought it? Normally we throw those citrus peels out and all those herb stems out, but they are packed with flavor. And extracting that flavor is really, really easy. When you add some heat, it's also really easy when you add alcohol, because alcohol extracts flavor. So thank you for that struggle challenge. Don't throw things away. Get creative, store this stuff. You're gonna be happy and your other dishes are gonna be better.